This is the skill cue for standard number 2, analyzing influences. And our action word is scan. S, situation. C, core influences. A, analyze. N, now what? So there are 2 core ways that you can analyze influences in your life. One is you can look at individual influences and analyze how they are impacting your life. Or you can look at a situation in your life or your overall feelings in your life and identify what are the core influences that are impacting you. So we are going to focus on that second one in this skill cue video. So step 1 is all about the situation. We want to identify the health situation in your life that is impacting your well-being. So for this video, we're going to use the example of your school responsibilities, specifically a school project that you are needing to complete. Step 2, core influences. So for this step, you want to identify who and what are the core influences impacting how you feel, think, and act in connection to the identified health situation. So for our example, we want to identify who and what is impacting how you feel, think, and act about your school responsibilities, specifically that project that you are working on. So here are a few core influences impacting your school responsibilities. The first influence is your teachers. They're the ones that are leading your class and they assigned the project. So hopefully they gave you a well-crafted outline that is helping you navigate the project. A second influence could be, hey, the book that you're reading that you can't put down and you keep trying to read it in class rather than listening to the teacher. Another influence could be social media, and in class you're trying to scroll and look at your social media rather than paying attention. Another influence could be the classmate sitting next to you, and they keep writing notes that they pass to you in class and it's making it really hard to pay attention to the teacher. Another influence could be the responsibilities that you have outside of school, like at home, taking care of your dog, cleaning your room, maybe helping make dinner, or maybe your weekend job, whatever it is. These different responsibilities are impacting how you are able to navigate your school responsibilities. Another influence could be your friend that said, hey, let's meet up after school so we can work on our projects together. Each of these are different examples of influences in your life that could be impacting how you feel, think, and act. All right, step 3 is analyze. So we know what the situation is. We've identified our core influences. Now it's time to analyze and assess each of these influences. As we talked about in step 2, each of these influences is impacting how you feel, think, and act. So we want to take a moment to analyze and assess their impact. Are they positively or negatively impacting you and the situation? And then step 4, now what? So you've identified the situation, you know who the core influences are, you've analyzed, you know if they are positively or negatively impacting you. So now what? What are you going to do next? You've taken the time to analyze the situation. Now you need to make an intentional choice about how you are going to engage or not engage with each of these influences in your life. All right, so that's the skill cue for standard number 2, analyzing influences. And remember, our action word is scan. So whenever you feel like you need to, take a moment to pause, reflect, and use the scan skill cues, and then act.